गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या विद्यार्थी मंडळाची वेंचणूक अचकीत विद्यापीठान रद्द केल्ल्यान विद्यार्थ्यांनी बोवाळ घातलो. गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या विद्यार्थी मंडळ 2019-20 वर्सा खातीर शुक्रारा दीस वेंचणूक जाहीर केल्ली. मात विद्यापीठान वेंचणूक रद्द केल्ल्यान वेंचणुकेक आयिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक कळ्ळें तेन्ना तांणी बोवाळ घातलो. तशेंच रजिस्ट्राराक घेराव घालून जाप विचारली.
You change the DSW. Right now. Is it possible for you to do it? Is it possible to change the DSW? We are demanding a full-time DSW from last year. Now this is your third year.
At the start of election, he told me, I asked him, who is in power, who is more powerful in campus,
The appeal is claiming that there is a lack of coordination and communication between the concerned college, namely MES College, and the Goa University. The candidate says, who was contesting, he has submitted all the documents to the college. The college claims they have submitted all documents to us. When we scrutinized the entire file which was submitted by MES College, we found one important document was missing, and that is the UCR expenditure statement of that candidate. Because there is a multi-stage election process. First a candidate becomes UCR, then he stands to become UFR, and then he goes for the executive committee of the GUSC. This student candidate has to submit his UCR statement also, UFR expenditure statement also. The college has only given his UFR statement. The college has failed to provide in that file his UCR expenditure statement. And as per rules and statute of the Goa University, if you don't receive it within the deadline, I as DSW on scrutiny has to throw out that particular candidature, and that's why he was declared ineligible. So he claims that if college has erred, as we are saying, why should he be penalized? This is his contention. Why should he who is duly elected pay the price for the mistake between either college or whatever sending to us? So this is being heard compassionately, sympathetically by the Vice Chancellor, who also is of the opinion that yes, as an educational administrative principle, for the lapse of an institution, the individual should not have to pay a price. But then he has to go into the details of it. So he will have to look at. But he says probably by Monday or Tuesday he may dispose of the petition.
Can the appeal be accepted today morning? I mean, what is the time?
Because it doesn't matter. See, what happens is, what it says is, there is a certain rule. Whenever a complaint is received by us, the office of DSW, within 24 hours we have to call a GRC. GRC is Grievance Redressal Cell, which is the judicial body of the university, where the chairperson is registrar, and I am the member secretary. And there are very esteemed principals, and there are college administrators, etc. We have to call that within 24 hours. We have to give order immediately or within the next 24 hours, which we did. Even though yesterday was a holiday, we issued the order yesterday morning only. After receiving order, within about 24 hours, this appeal has to be filed. There's a limited period. Anyway, because election was happening at 12 o'clock today, it also meant that urgency was required. If they had not filed before election, then we would have gone ahead. So today morning, I believe around 10 or 10:10, you can find out from the office, they gave their appeal. The moment appeal was given, the VC marked a copy to me, and I was given a call saying that suspend the election immediately. That's why today's election had to be immediately postponed, pending the disposal of the petition. So that should not be a problem. But this is the assurance given that the voting will happen on 26th and the whole process is over before Chaturthi.
अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषदेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी राजकीय दबाव आयिल्ल्यान विद्यापीठाच्या विद्यार्थी मंडळाची वेंचणूक रद्द केला असो आरोप केला. तशेंच हाचे पयलीं राजकीय पक्षाच्या विद्यार्थी मंडळा कडल्यान विरोधी विद्यार्थ्यांक सतावपाचे प्रकार घडल्यात असोय आरोप केला.
Zindabad!
ह्या इलेक्शना खातीर हांव चेअरमॅन पोस्टा खातीर राविल्लो आसा. प्रत्येक वर्सा गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी इलेक्शन जाता. त्या इलेक्शनान एव्हरी इयर पॉलिटिकल इंटरफरन्स वाडत आसा. एव्हरी इयर ते पॉलिटिकली खूब प्रेशरायज करत आसा. ह्या वर्सा आमी ते बंद करया अशें ठरयलें. म्हणून आमी कंप्लेन केली हाजे कडेन रजिस्ट्रार, VC आनी डायरेक्टरा कडेन की पॉलिटिकल इंटरफरन्स आमी खपोवन घेवचे ना. हे कंप्लेनीचे जेन्ना ग्रीव्हन्स रिडर्सल सेला कडेन गेले तेन्ना तांच्या मिनिटान तांणी घातले की पॉलिटिकल इंटरफरन्स चलता, सो इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन जावचे ना, इलेक्शन हे 16 तारखेकूच आसतले म्हणून. हे जाले. आमी फूल तयारी केली. आमचे 40+ वोट्स आतां हांगासर उपस्थित आसा. आमी फूल जिखतले हे आमकां कॉन्फिडन्स आसा. अशें जावन काल रातचे तांकां जेन्ना कळ्ळें की ABVPचे पॅनल जिखपाचें आसा म्हणून, तेन्ना तांणी शुभम सुभाष फळदेसाय ह्या भुरग्याचो फॉर्म भायर पडलेलो. ताणें VC कडेन कंप्लेन केली की आपलो फॉर्म इन करचो म्हणून, आनी तांणी थ्रू पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर इलेक्शन हे पोस्टपोन केले. आज सकाळी आमकां कळटा, आज सकाळी 10 सुमार आमकां कळटा की इलेक्शन हे पोस्टपोन केल्लें आसा म्हणून. आमचे हांगासर युआर काणकोणच्यान आनी सगळ्या भागांतल्यान मडगांवच्यान आयिल्ले आसा. तांकां सगळ्यांक हांगा युनिव्हर्सिटी येवन कळ्ळें की इलेक्शन हे पोस्टपोन जाल्लें आसा. हे सगळे फूल पॉलिटिकल प्रेशरा खातीर जाता. पॉलिटिकल प्रेशरा खातीर इलेक्शन जावचें न्ही हीच आमची मागणी आसा. ही लास्ट पर्यंत आमी हे करतले. आनी आतां सुद्दां समज इलेक्शन जाता जाल्यार आमी फूल फ्लेज निवडून येता हे आमकां कॉन्फिडन्स आसा. आमचे कडेन 40+ UFR हांगा प्रेझेंट आसा वोटिंगे खातीर.
आमची कंप्लेन घेवन गेल्ली हाजे म्हऱ्यान डायरेक्टरा म्हऱ्यान मिटिंगेक आपयल्ले तेन्ना म्हजेर स्वता एकल्या चलयेचेर 50 जाणांनी अटॅक केल्लो आसा. म्हणल्यार 50 जाण त्या मिटिंगेक थंय रावन म्हजी वाट ब्लॉक करपाचें तांणी ट्राय केल्ले आसा. आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर हल्ला केल्लो आसा. म्हजे बरोबर दुसरे चली आशिल्ले ताजे बरोबर हल्ला केल्लो आसा. ताका मारपाची धमकी दिल्ली आसा. ताजो फोन घेतिल्लो आसा. ताजो फोन चलयेन एका ओडून घेवन ताका उरलेले सगळे चल्यांनी ग्रॅब करून दवरिल्ले आसा आनी ताका येवपा भायर दिनाशिल्ले. ताका ओडून हाडचे पडिल्ले आसा. आमी पुलीस घेवन गेले तेन्ना परत तांणी बोवाळ केल्लो आसा. अशें करून ते डायरेक्टरा म्हऱ्यान बोवाळ घालत आसा. आनी आमी हे पुलिसांनूय कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा. आनी आमी हे इलेक्शन जिखून येवपाची आमचे कडेन शक्त आसा म्हणून ते भिवून इलेक्शन तांणी पोस्टपोन केल्ले आसा पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुयन्स घालून. नाजाल्यार इलेक्शन आज जावपाचें आशिल्लें.
Shrodkar, Karina Shrodkar, and what had happened that day was one girl was taking our videos and pictures of us when we were talking amongst each other. So I went and I approached her saying that why are you taking our pictures? She started saying that it's my right. So actually she was interfering with my personal right, clicking pictures of me. So basically that was not the main idea. Then she started saying that we were covering, I took her phone and I gave it to the authorities, and she blamed a wrong game on us basically. So for that we could actually ask you all to check the CCTV cameras of the university near the registrar's office and see what is actually the truth.